Welcome to our comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 5 5600 and the Ryzen 7 7700X. In this video, we will explore their specifications and performance to help you decide which processor best suits your needs. The Ryzen 5 5600 offers a great balance of price and performance with its 6 cores and 12 threads, while the Ryzen 7 7700X boasts 8 cores and 16 threads for superior multitasking and gaming. Well, let's dive into the details. When it comes to pricing, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 is priced at $199, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for solid performance. In contrast, the Ryzen 7 7700X is priced at $399, reflecting its higher core count and advanced features. While the Ryzen 5 5600 provides excellent value for basic tasks and gaming, the Ryzen 7 7700X justifies its price with superior performance for demanding applications and multitasking scenarios. The core and thread count is another critical factor to consider. The Ryzen 5 5600 features 6 cores and 12 threads, which is sufficient for most gaming and productivity tasks. However, the Ryzen 7 7700X steps it up with 8 cores and 16 threads, allowing for better multitasking and performance in more demanding applications, such as video editing and 3D rendering. This difference in architecture can significantly impact performance, especially in multi-threaded workloads. Clock speed is another essential aspect of processor performance. The Ryzen 5 5600 operates at a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz and can boost up to 4.4 GHz. On the other hand, the Ryzen 7 7700X starts at a higher base clock of 4.5 GHz and can reach an impressive boost clock of 5.4 GHz. This higher clock speed not only enhances gaming performance, but also improves overall responsiveness in applications, making the Ryzen 7 7700X a more powerful choice for enthusiasts. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and Ryzen 7 7700X have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 5 5600 is an excellent choice for those on a budget, while the Ryzen 7 7700X offers superior performance for users who need more power. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.